Hi everyone! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Kuyskiko nyo to na alam kong late na sa mga reviews na ganyan. It has been a month since our COVID infection and COVID recovery. That's why I haven't been making any videos. But anyway, dumating sa akin tong package ito from Vice Cosmetics about last week. Today is November 20 and we're gonna be testing this out. So kung gusto nyo makita yon, keep on watching! Gawin ko muna yung base ko kasi these are lip tints, lip balms, lip oil, ganyan-ganyan. So, wala tong base na kasama. Hindi ko na siya isasama dito sa video because hindi naman yun yung purpose ng ating review. Ito yung re-review natin ngayon. Yung Peppermint Twist na set. Ayan. Yung Pop Kendi. Ito. And itong excited ako yung Kookie Multi-Pot. Okay, so we're done with our base. Naglagay lang ako ng tinted sunscreen, no? It's now 5:45, pero since ang meron ako dito, tinted sunscreen, yun lang yung nilagay ko. And I needed to put a base for all of these cream products kasi hindi natin siya, well, pwede mo naman gamitin ng bare-faced. Kaya lang, mas gusto ko na may base para mas make-upitan siya and mas even out yung skin tone afterwards. Nakalagay lang dito, Triple TREATZ collection. It is the season for Vice Cosmetics to share with you a new collection of lip and cheek products designed with yummy scents, wearable shades na for everyday looks, enriched with skin-loving ingredients for formulas na apaka-nourishing. Ayan, pinasa ko lang to. As always, very colorful. So lately yung mga nilalabas ng Vice Cosmetics na products, kaaligo ko lang po, pasensya na yung book ko. Lately yung mga nilalabas ng Vice Cosmetics sa mga products, very colorful, very youthful, pati yung packaging. So ito, yun nga siya. And meron na siyang to and from. So, pang-gift talaga siya. Pero, you can also give this to yourself kung gusto nyo i-treat yung sarili mo. We have here yung Pop Kendi muna. Kasi yun yung una dito. Ayan. This one is 295 pesos. So, meron kang lip tint, lip balm, and lip oil. Nakalagay lang dito, nourishing formulas in MLBB pink shades. My lips but better pink shades that smell like candy. Pigmented, lightweight, long wearing. Yung lip balm daw is moisturizing, tinted, and lightweight. Yung lip oil daw is hydrating, soothing, and high shine. Yo. So yung packaging niya, very Vice Cosmetics. Maganda. Ayan. Kita mo na agad yung shade. I'm just using my phone's camera kasi yung aking camera na ginagamit ko for vlogging. Ngayon ng pinsan ko. So this one is Berry Pop. Yung shade niya. Ayan. Tapos, gold lang yung branding. And pink yung cap. Ito yung shade niya. Try natin. Ako kasi hindi ako nagpo-full on lip tint. Sa inner rim lang ako ng lips naglalagay. Kasi gusto natin ng very natural lang na lip color. So yan yun. Any lip tints naman wearable sa atin. Kung yung mga paminta shades, malalaking shade. Basta hindi lang siya yung pack na full on na lip tint mo ilalagay. So this one is Berry Pop. Tapos we have Lolly Pink. Ayan. Yung lip balm niya, very pigmented din. MLBP din yung shade nito. Let's, gaganyan ko na lang para nakikita niyo. Ayan, yan yung Lolly Pink. Amoy candy nga siya. And okay, very hydrating nga siya. It's not matte, pero very pigmented siya. I don't think that you can use it as blush. Kasi may oil and magkakos lang to ng oiliness on your cheeks, in my opinion. Okay, yung Candy Glaze naman, ito, cute. Napaka-cute ito pang regalo sa pamangkin, sa mga pinsan nyo, inaanak. O, pink lang siya, and this one is the shade Candy Glaze. Alam mo yung parang lips na candy, ganun yung amoy niya. High shine. Di siya sticky, very hydrating. Pero kita nyo naman, nagli-leave siya ng stain. I mean, kasi tatlong product yung nilagay natin. So, 295 lang, may tatluan ng regalo sa parang 100 pesos each lang yung product. So, ito. Check naman natin yung Peppermint Twist. Okay, so we have here Fresh Mint. Lagay ko dito katabi nung una. So, medyo, ito, berry yung shade niya. Ito, medyo orangey red siya. Lagay pa rin natin. Mas medyo pang guy na shade ito kaysa dito. Next one is Choco Mint Twist. So minty yung set na to. May chocolate. Nude na orangey terracotta yung shade niya. Ayan. Lip balm siya guys, so don't expect like yung full opacity. But for a lip balm, this is pigmented already. Very nourishing to. This one is Choco Mint Twist. Yeah. Ganda na ng lips. Ganyan lang yung gusto kong lips. Hindi kulay lang, pero hindi yung pack. Okay, next one is yung kanilang Dynamint. Ito, ganda. Cool ng kulay nito. Blue lang siya. Pag nilagay mo siya, clear lang. Pero may hint ng blue. Nagta-transfer yung lip stain mo dito. Okay, so dito sa sets na to, actually mas gusto ko tong set ng Peppermint Twist. Kasi dito, mas prefer ko yung mga shades nito. For me. But both sets are good. It's just that mas gusto ko tong medyo orangey nude shades na to over this one. So yung star ng show natin is this one. This one is 395 naman. So, tatlo na siya. Yun din. Colorful yung packaging. So, we have cookie butter, sugar cookie, biscuits ka. Perfectly formulated with shea butter. This comes with everyday shades na napaka-perfect for your eyes, face, and lips. Moisturizing, pigmented, and blendable. Sabi dito. Bago tayo mag-start dito sa mga multi-pot sila, yung mga sets na to, sabi dito, it's paraben-free, cruelty-free, vegan, and it has 12 months upon opening, expiration. Napaka-cute nito. Mga ano siya, 1.5 inches yung laki niya. So this one is cookie butter. Uy! Ang soft ng... Ayan, yan yung shade niya. Cookie butter. Medyo orangey brown siya. Good stuff for moreno. Next natin is yung sugar cookie. Okay, may pagka-peachy na to. Peachy pink. Yun. Biscuits ka. Yan. Napaka-wearable naman ng mga shades na to for us. Pero kung papipiliin ako, mas gusto ko tong dalawa na to over this one. But these shades are very natural looking blushes. So try muna natin. Try ko yung cookie butter muna. Huwag kayong masarapan sa paglalagay kasi pigmented siya. Ganyan lang talaga mag-blush. Malapit sa nose contour. Or hindi naman ako nag-nose contour ngayon, pero malapit sa nose. Para magmukha din siyang contour. Next natin itong pangalawa, sugar cookie. Okay, so kung moreno kayo, go for this one. Yung una, may orange undertone. Kasi pang moreno to. Ito rin okay. Gusto mo yung parang sun-kissed drunk blush. Goods to. Ano kung babuburahin tong isa? Ayaw na mabura. Pero try natin tong biscuits ka. Okay, sobrang pink na nito. Goods to kung gusto nyo yung parang Tisay look. Pero sobrang natural itong unang-una. Overall, good sa akin yung mga shades. Ito yung napili ko, yung una. Si Sugar Cookie sa si Cookie Butter. Try ko siya sa lips ha. Sugar Cookie. Okay, natural siya sa lips. Sa eyes naman, try natin si Cookie Butter. Ito yung middle shade. Tapos set ka lang ng powder. Pero fix ko lang to kasi magkaiba yung shade ng akin. Pero ayaw niya na maburo. Tapos set ka lang ng powder. Kahit anong powder will do. Ayan, pag nag-powder ka, nagto-tone down na siya. So, sugar cookie, cookie butter, and may konting biscuit ka dito. Goods. Overall, okay sa akin itong mga products sila ngayon. Pwede siyang pang-exchange gift, pang-regalo sa pamangkin, pinsan, or whoever. Goods. Goods yung formula, goods yung feel, goods yung blendability. If you set it properly, maglalast long siya for sure kasi cream products tong blushes. Yung lip tint long lasting kasi lip tint siya. Pero yung lip balm and lip oil, you need to touch up throughout the day. Okay na okay sa akin yung collection nila ngayon. For its price na $295 and $395, you'll get 3 products. Matutuwa yung pagbibigyan nyo nito for sure. So yun lang. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to. Pasensya na kayo kasi hindi ako nadadalas gumawa ng videos kasi nagka-COVID kami ng quiz beam nyo. Medyo na-push back lahat. And alam ko medyo late na rin tong review na to. But still, I wanna do it kasi sayang naman. Yun, sana nagustuhan nyo yung buong review. If you're not subscribed yet, please do so I can continue making these kind of videos. My social media accounts will be linked down below and here in the screen. If you have any other requests, feel free to DM me or comment it down para magawa natin ng paraan. I'll see you guys soon. Please stay safe, get vaccinated kasi it's very important. Kami ng quiz beam nyo, asymptomatic kami, wala kami naramdaman, hindi kami nakahawa dito sa household. And it's very important kasi nakaka-reduce siya ng epekto ng virus sa katawan mo. So, yun lang. Stay safe and God bless.